Hello farmers, thank you so much for huge response you are giving to AutoFarm across the country. We are getting thousands of calls from across the country and almost every farmer has same question. How exactly does the system work? Will this system work for my farm and do I need to change anything in my pipeline? So let's understand in depth one by one how exactly this system will work and how this will fit into your farm. To explain everything in detail, we are doing this video from AutoFarm's demo unit. The state-of-the-art manufacturing facility is located at Talavde, Pune. Let's start with the first question. What exactly does this system do? If I want to tell you in a very simple and straightforward way, AutoFarm helps you automate your irrigation and fertigation activities. If I am away from my farm due to some work, now with AutoFarm I can turn my irrigation and fertigation on and off from my mobile phone. I can turn the pump on and off, I can control the valves, so you don't have to worry about pressure like first irrigating plot 1, then closing the valve and then opening the plot 2. Likewise, you can control valves and give fertilizers, which fertilizers to give for how much time, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and at what quantity. Everything can be managed remotely. Let's see one by one each component of the system. The first product is pump sense. This device is used to control the pump. It fits next to your existing starter. The command we give on our mobile app will trigger the action at our pump. We can schedule the time, say at 1 am at night we set it to turn on the pump and we set it to shut off at 5 am. The pump sense will follow the command and act accordingly. Let's move on to the IoT hub. The IoT hub is the heart of system. This main controller is available in different configurations like 1 valve, 2 valve, 5 valve and 10 valves. Let's assume you have 4 valves centralized at one place. You can only use the IoT hub and make your irrigation automated. It will not require any shade, no protection is required, it is weatherproof, it works with solar power and battery. You can set it anywhere in your farm. You just require a pole of 10 to 15 feet and that's it. Once the IoT hub is up, it can control 1 to 10 walls or any number of walls near the hub. But now you will say that it is not possible that every wall will be near or close to each other. So say only 2 walls are near and all other walls are at different location, then how can you manage? Now in this case, our IRISense comes into picture. What is the work of IRISense? No matter how many walls you have at different places, you just install the IRISense and with the help of LoRa technology, the IoT hub will talk wirelessly with IRISense and will make the wall automated. So it will act as a sub-controller and will follow the command. So these are three main components of irrigation automation. Then comes the next part called CanSense. CanSense is a sensor-based device which suggests 7 different microclimatic conditions like moisture and lux, temperature, etc. It helps farmer to take irrigation decisions. This is about the entire system, but is it suitable for your farm? Let's see with 2 examples. You can see on the screen, consider this as one example. There is one well and the walls are spread across the field. They are far away from each other. Some places they have 2 walls nearby, some have 5, and at some places there is only one wall. This entire plot is one connected land, and there is one well also which has pump. So if this farm is to be automated, it is very difficult for any traditional automation provider. Many will compulsorily require electric supply at the farm and at every valve. Something you need to have a strong network or you need to change the pipeline. There are many issues, multiple issues are there. But with AutoFarm, you can do this automation effortlessly with ease, and that's why this solution is born. So without changing anything, we can do automation. Now on the screen, you can see the proposed installation. We have the main IoT hub. In and around, we have IRISense, number of IRISense you can see. Old walls are changed to solenoid walls. At the well, we have placed pump sense and done. That's it. Your entire system is automated wirelessly. No changes in pipeline required, no centralization required, no irrigation planning changes required, and you can control everything from anywhere on earth. So this is one type of automation. If you have a farm where a centralized pipeline is there and you have all valves at one place, then this is even more simple. You just have to add one IoT hub, one pump sense and change normal valves to solenoid valves. That's it. Your system is automated for irrigation. Also, sometimes you don't have connected land. You have a water source at different place. So I am very pleased to tell you that the IoT hub has a range of 1 to 2 kilometers and beyond that also. So everything in between can be connected wirelessly to each other and controlled from your phone across the globe. No matter where you are in the world, you can control your farm. Also, we have fertigation controllers which can help you manage fertigation as and when required. Those details will be shared in next videos. Now let's discuss the most important question: how much it will cost. If you know about AutoFarm or if you have heard about the solution, you must be aware that this is India's best and most affordable automation solution. But if you are new to AutoFarm, I am very glad to tell you that this is not only India's but world's most advanced and most affordable automation solution. So what do we mean by most advanced and affordable? I have explained to you how it is advanced, as it can automate almost any farm irrespective of its layout without changing pipeline or laying wires. And affordable, it is so affordable that even a small farmer having 2 hectares of land can automate his land without burning hole in his pocket. You will be amazed to know how affordable this system is. Just call once on the given number. Our expert will guide you for automation and will tell you the best and most cost efficient way to automate your field. If you take the average price of installation done by AutoFarm across the country, then it will be somewhere around 15 to 30,000 per acre. But please do not get confused. It does not mean that you only have 1 acre land and it will be done in 30 acres. So for your farm's exact cost, you have to call the expert. It may go up, and you have to tell your exact requirement, and then we can tell you how exactly your farmland will require the automation. You can call us and get amazed by the price and features. And every farmer gets amazed when we tell the prices. They are very much affordable considering the features we give. You can also book a visit to your farm. You can visit the factory at Pune. It is made in India product, built for our farm by our people, and with long lasting reliability. Farmer across India are choosing AutoFarm. You also choose the best technology and make your farm future ready with AutoFarm. Thank you.